Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C260L, a car that blends elegance with modern tech. All wrapped up in that iconic Mercedes-Benz luxury, if you're thinking about upgrading your daily drive or stepping into the world of luxury sedans, then this review might just convince you why the C260L deserves a spot on your shortlist. So buckle up, because this ride is all about comfort, innovation, and that smooth German engineering. Let's start with what catches your eye first: the exterior. The front fascia of the 2025 C260L is sleek and sharply styled. The new grille design is more refined with a cascading chrome finish, and the bold Mercedes emblem sits right at the center, like a statement of prestige. The LED headlights have been redesigned for a slimmer, more aggressive look. They're now sharper, almost blade-like, and come with adaptive high beam assist, making night driving safer and smarter. Moving to the side profile, the elongated wheelbase of the C260L immediately stands out. That's what the L in the name is all about. It means long wheelbase, designed especially for markets where rear seat comfort matters. The extended length gives the car a more graceful stance and enhances cabin space significantly. Chrome accents along the window line add a premium touch, while the multi-spoke alloy wheels give the sedan a sporty yet composed posture. The subtle shoulder lines run clean from the front fender to the rear taillights, highlighting the fluidity and design that Mercedes does so well. Now at the back. The tail end of the C260L is just as elegant. The LED taillights mimic the design of the front with a three-point light signature. The rear bumper is clean, with hidden exhausts tucked underneath for a minimalist, polished look. A slight lip on the trunk lid adds a hint of sportiness without going overboard, and of course, the Mercedes logo remains the unmistakable crown jewel at the center. Stepping inside the cabin. It's instantly clear that this is a car built for both driver and passenger luxury. The dashboard is dominated by a large, vertical touchscreen powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system. The screen floats effortlessly between function and style, allowing you to control navigation, music, climate, and more with just a swipe or voice command. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, offering everything from classic analog dials to futuristic graphics. The material choices in the C260L are top-class. Soft-touch leather wraps the steering wheel, seats, and dash trim. There's ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin in multiple colors, creating a lounge-like atmosphere during nighttime drives. The front seats are power-adjustable with memory settings, and in the rear, thanks to the extended wheelbase, passengers enjoy noticeably more legroom, almost S-Class level. The rear bench is plush and wide, with optional features like heating, USB-C ports, and even a control panel for rear climate settings. Under the hood. The 2025 C260L is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine mated to a 48 volts mild hybrid system. It may sound modest on paper, but it delivers a smooth and confident 204 horsepower and 300 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the shifts are buttery smooth. Whether you're cruising in comfort mode or pushing a bit harder in sport, the mild hybrid system assists during acceleration and helps improve fuel economy, plus it enables a seamless start-stop experience in city driving. In terms of ride quality, it feels composed and quiet thanks to excellent insulation and chassis tuning. The steering is light yet precise, making urban drives easy while still giving you confidence at higher speeds. The suspension absorbs bumps without transmitting harshness, staying true to that Mercedes floating field asterisk. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz C260L starts at around $49,000, depending on the market and selected options. With added packages like the AMG line exterior, panoramic sunroof, premium audio system, or upgraded leather upholstery, the price can climb up to around $55,000 to $58,000 for what you're getting in terms of comfort, tech, brand, prestige, and efficiency. The C260L stands as a compelling value in the entry-level luxury sedan space. Asterisk, if you're in the market for a luxury sedan that isn't just about looks, but also delivers a solid driving experience with tech-savvy features. The C260L checks almost every box. It's not a high-performance car like the AMG variants, but it's perfect for those who want elegance, comfort, and smart features in a daily commuter or executive vehicle. We'd recommend going for the optional driving assistance package, which adds semi-autonomous driving capabilities, especially useful on highways and in heavy traffic. Asterisk, wrapping things up, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C260L is an impressive evolution of the compact executive sedan. It brings together Mercedes-Benz's signature design, comfort, and digital innovation into a package that feels far more upscale than its price tag might suggest. Whether you're sitting behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, it offers a genuinely premium experience. Asterisk, thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews. Drop your thoughts about the C260L in the comments below. Would you pick this over an Audi A4 or BMW 3 Series? Let us know. Until next time, keep your drive smooth and your ride stylish. Asterisk.